Rightio, bit of a space between the last vid and this one. Restrictions on fishing have been lifted, so I've been actually going out catching a couple of fish instead of making videos while I'm waiting to go fishing. I said this was going to be shared footage, had to talk to a mate. The mate was Rod Mackenzie. Some of you might know him. He wrote a few articles, or writes a few articles, and catches lots of big fish, probably 200 over the metre now, so I'm sure you'll know who he is. If you don't, that's in there. And there. And I'm sure he's up in other places up here as well. Anyway, I rang him up, spoke to him about this video, said, do you remember the day where I got 6 fish and you didn't get any? And then the next day you smashed me to pieces, a couple of meteries and a heap of other fish. We did get confused for another trip where they got boated 5. I didn't get a hit, unfortunately. But between Rod and Jock, they boated 5 over a metre one day. That's a whole nother video, and I'm currently trying to find the footage for that because it's spread everywhere. We had a bit of a mishap with cameras, but anyway. So this trip here, how I remember it, day 1, no fish, no hits. Day 2, I got 6 fish, 6 Murray cod, between probably 50 and 70 centimetres. I don't remember Rod getting a hit, but I do remember him saying, that's all right, mate. You clear the little stuff out of the way, I'll get the big ones. Supremely confident, as Rod always is. He, you know, that's his game, and that's probably why he catches so many fish. He's always confident that he's going to come through in the end, and he does 99.9% of the time. Day 1, I get the 6. Day 2, I get the first fish and think, good, I've got the stink today. The coin been phrased by Rod Mackenzie and his crew, and when you got it, you've got it. I've had little bouts of the stink before where I've had it for half a day or a day. It can be stolen off you, and Rod's very good at stealing the stink off of you. Day 2, I catch the first fish. He's close to 70 centimetres. Think I've got the stink. Bang, Rod steals it, and he cannot do a thing wrong. I'm not sure how many fish he caught on the 3rd day, but he got fish after fish. He just couldn't wind it in at the end of a trawl and run, metery. Smashed a metery in the middle of the river where a lot of people won't trawl, but that's where the side imaging comes in. You know, we're only pretty new to side imaging, and we're finding timber that we'd never seen before. Smashing big ones in the middle, like, I don't know how many he got that day. He might have got 9 cod, 2 meteries, couple of just under, like, I won't show you all the footage. I'll spare my footage, otherwise the video's going to go forever, but I'll just chuck on bits of Rod's footage and I'll let him explain most of it in the footage. We're using Coolabung lures, Minn Kota motor, Humminbird sounder, and all the good gear for the time. Yeah, what can I say? I'll just let the video do the talking.
This morning, Ray's just cracked one about 70 centimetres, maybe 65, 70 centimetres, and now I've just been nailed. I don't think it's a big fish. Ray got his going downstream. I got mine coming back up. So have a look at that little fella. He's a beautiful fish, isn't he? On the metallic lure again. It's been working really well the last couple of days. It's just a new sort of pattern that Eddie Studman's come up with, and it's certainly working. These guys like it anyway. Well, very nice Murray cod. I'd say 75 to 80 centimetres. We'll put him back, eh? There you go. Number 4 in about 2 hours. Coming back upstream again. This one's going to come right across the top. Have a look at that, right? Coming in soft as. shot up to the top. Not a bad fish either. Fella, how's he going to do it? He's just totally given up the ghost, hasn't he? Nice cod. He's a horse. Look at that. He's grabbed that gold lure. He's a big fella. That's how we got it. He's a beauty. He's a good fish, this one. This is the one. Here he comes again. Right. This is the one we're going after. See if I can get him in the net this time. Come on, big boy. We gotcha. Here we go. Oh, Jesus. Whew. Now that is a horse of a cod. Oh. Look at that one. Look at that. Hey, what a ripping fish. He smashed that metallic-y, goldy coloured cooler bung. Just smashed it. Going upstream again. You gotta love this sort of stuff. This is cod fishing. Righto, we'll get this big fella back in. He's a ripping cod. Big head, big, good size, really good size. Go, baby. I'm at it now. That's 4 for the morning. Just trialling the one little bank. It's not a very deep bank, 6 metres. Up and back, we're getting them going both ways. We're actually trialling with the petrol motor going back upstream because there's a little bit much current for the electric. But we'll go and get another one, eh? Number 5. 5 for the morning so far. It's not even lunchtime yet. And this spot is full on producing. I don't know how big this one is. He's no monster. No, he's only a little fella. And look at that. Another one on the metallic. I'm getting sick of saying that. Another one on the metallic. Amazing. Beautiful little cod. Excellent condition, as all the fish have been. And like I said, we've got 5 for the morning, so that's pretty fantastic. So I'll put him back in the drink and we'll go and get some more. Beautiful little fish. Absolutely beautiful. Check out the mouth on that. That's why they scovel all sorts of big stuff. They're loving these lures this morning. Like I said, 5 on the one bank in about 2 hours. And I reckon there's heaps more to go. So we'll just put him back. And away he goes. I shouldn't be washing off the stink. But when you got it, you got it.
You hand some to me.
There you go, man. When you got the stink, you got the stink. I think this is about number 6. I'm not sure how big it is. Oh yeah, he's a good one. Look at him back there. Give it up now. Here you come, little fella. Actually, you look bigger than that, didn't he? Look at that, he's woofed that lure down. Come on, big bud. There you go, look at that. What a beautiful Murray cod. Probably not 10 minutes ago I said if you're catching fish in one area, keep working it. And as you see, once again, similar sized fish to what we've been catching most of the morning, other than a couple of big ones. So if you have a look at that lure, that fish has woofed it. Absolutely woofed it. Well, when it comes to stinking, I am absolutely fly blown. I just can't put a foot wrong. He's a big fish, this fella. Absolutely fly blown. Oh, he's a nice cod. Look at that one. Hey, coming downstream, and have a look, he's woofed that lure right down his street. Look at that. He has woofed it. I'll just get him up. Up you come. Oh. I don't know how we're going to go getting that lure out of there. Probably get a finger of... He woofed that down into there. Look at that. That's beautiful. How's that for a cod? Hey? He's got to be pushing a metre. Magnificent fish in awesome condition. In awesome condition. That's about our 10th cod for the day. We're having an absolute blinder. It doesn't get much better than this. It's beginning of March, good time of the year for catching big cod. So all on the trial, and so far all on the Coolabung lures. We'll put him back in the drink. Another nice fish back into the Murray. It's good to see these fellas going back in. I've still got the stink.
I think I've covered everything. If you like the video, hit the little like button. Subscribe if you haven't, or if you feel like subscribing, subscribe, because there's going to be a lot more videos. There's a little bell up there. Click on that and I'll show you when the next video is coming along. Next video, I'm not sure whether I'm going to cover one of these fish off the wall, whether I'm going to find one in the muddy water that we've got at the moment. It's terrible. Or I've got an idea for a little how-to video. It'll be a little device that's caught me a lot of fish. Mainly it'll be a surface fishing one. So anyway, if you like it, hit the like button, share with your mates, all the good stuff. If you don't, that's totally up to you. Alright, cheers, and I'll see ya as soon as possible.